Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Chemistry Objective Past Question 11. The most suitable process of obtaining water from an aqueous solution of sugar is A. Crystallization, B. Distillation, C. Filtration, D. Decantation. So we're looking at various separation techniques, and we're asked for the one that is most suitable for obtaining water from an aqueous solution of sugar. So in this case, you are trying to obtain the solvent, which is water, from a solution. So let's look at each of these techniques and see which one is most suitable for this procedure. Now, crystallization is used to separate, it's a separation technique used to separate salts, that is solutes, which readily decompose on heating from solution. So when you have a solution of salts which decompose easily or readily on heating, you make use of crystallization to separate that salt from the solution, and it usually involves heating and cooling of the solution, gentle heating and then cooling of the solution. Now option B, which is distillation, is a separation technique used to recover solvent from solution. It involves heating the solution to vaporize and then condensing the solvent. So when you heat the solution such that the solvent vaporizes, you then condense the solvent, and then you've successfully separated it from the solution. Now option C, which is filtration, involves use of a porous material, and an example of this is our filter paper, to separate insoluble particles from a solvent or a liquid. And lastly, option D, which is decantation, used to separate mixture of liquid and solid particles, which separate into layers on standing. Now from this, we are asked for the one that is suitable for separating water, which is a solvent, from solution, and we saw that B, distillation, is used to recover the solvent, which is the liquid part, which is water in this case, from a solution. So it is the most suitable for obtaining water from aqueous solution of sugar, because the sugar solution will be heated till the water vaporizes, and then the water will be condensed and collected. So option B, distillation, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.